Hello friends, welcome to Pradnya Star Kitchen. If you like my recipe, subscribe my channel, ring the bell button, like, comment and share my recipes. Thank you. Today we'll be making Palak Appam with cheese potato stuffing. So to make that, let's take a look at the ingredients. I've taken 1 bowl of Barik Rava, which is approximately 100 grams, 1 bowl of finely chopped palak and 1 small bowl of curd. Give everything a good mix. We need to make a thick batter, so we'll add little of water into it and we'll keep mixing. See, the consistency of the batter should be this. We'll allow it to rest for 5 minutes. 5 minutes are done. Here I am adding half packet of blue Eno, which has no flavor. To this we'll add little of water and we'll mix it properly so that we get the consistency of the batter like this. Now we'll make the appam stuffing. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes and smashed it. To that we'll add 1 tablespoon of coriander, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and salt as per taste. Add 1/4 tablespoon of red chilli powder, little of green chilli paste. Mix everything properly. To this we'll add little of sugar. Our stuffing mixture is ready. I've taken an appam pan and greased it with oil. We'll fill the appam pan with the batter. We'll not fill the entire appam pan as we need to keep some space for the cheese potato stuffing that we have made it earlier. Grease the palm with oil. Take a small portion of potato mixture. Place a small piece of cheese cube in it. Close it properly and make a round ball and place it in the batter. This way we'll make the rest of the balls and place it in all the sections. In this I have used the mozzarella cheese cubes. You can use processed cheese as well. Now cover the balls with the batter. This potato cheese stuffing is going to give a very different taste to this traditional appam. Many of us don't like palak, but in this recipe it tastes good and it's giving a colorful look to this tiny appams. Place the appam maker on a low flame and grease it up with some oil and cover it with the lid. And we'll cook this for next 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn the appams upside down so that it gets baked from both the sides. Our tiny appams are ready. This looks so cheesy. You can have it this way or we can give a tadaka. Take 1 tablespoon of oil. In that add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Once it turns golden, add little of red chilli powder. Mix it. Spread it over the appams. This fusion tastes amazing. Have it either ways. I have garnished this with capsicum. Serve this with green chutney and tomato sauce. Enjoy!